Hello guys, welcome to my channel Linglet Hub. If you have already seen my introduction video, you must know that what type of YouTube videos you will get on my channel. If you haven't watched it, then do check its link in the description. Well, this video is the first video of our course Introduction to Linguistics. In it, I will tell you the definition of linguistics and the scope of linguistics. That why should you choose this BS Linguistics? I will tell you this. So, do subscribe my channel if you are the student of BS Linguistics or want to know more about this subject. So, first of all, what is the definition of linguistics? What is the introduction of linguistics? The main definition of linguistics is that it is the scientific study of language. What does it mean? It means that different scientific theories or different scientific hypotheses are applied on English language or different languages to know about its certain aspects. Linguists apply different theories on language to study its different aspects. They are basically the scientists of language. They apply different hypotheses on English language or other languages to know that how this language is created, how this language is communicating with people, how this language is operating, how different aspects of language, for example, its grammar, its sentence structure, its sounds, how they are producing, how they are produced, and how they are communicating with humans. This is the linguistics. So why linguistic is important? Why linguists created different scientific theories and study this language? Why it is important? The world has about 7,106 languages. India has almost about 461 languages. Pakistan has 72 languages. These all languages operate differently. They all have different grammar rules. They all have different sounds. They all have different pronunciation. They all have different teaching strategies. They all are different from each other. That's why linguists apply different theories to understand that why languages operate differently. They want to understand that how the language is operating, how they are producing sentences, how they are producing words, how they are producing pronunciation or sounds. They apply different theories to understand these phenomena. Language distinguishes us from animals. Without language, we will have no civilization. People talk more than they do anything else in the world. All human languages are made up of sounds arranged in such a way that they communicate meaning or express feelings or attitude. The sounds come first. In fact, when writing had not been invented, the sounds of language existed. So, the study of sound in linguistics is called phonetics. The study of how these sounds are arranged in a language is called phonology. How these sounds combine to make small unit of meanings are called morphemes. The study of how these morphemes combine to create a sentence is known as syntax. How these sentences create meaning is called semantics. We all study this in linguistics to know that how a language is operating. There are different courses related to morphology, phonetics, phonology, syntax, semantics. We will study all of these branches of linguistics in different courses on my YouTube video. So you should stay tuned with me if you want to learn more about them. So now, how can linguistics help students? If you will study linguistics, you will be able to understand English grammar in a better way. You will be able to understand its part of speech, its grammar rules more clearly and more logically if you will study linguistics. You will be able to understand different accents or different grammar rules or pronunciation rules of different English languages. Means there are American language and British English language is different from each other. You will be able to distinguish these differences if you will study linguistics in detail. You will be able to learn all the aspects of English language in a better way if you will study linguistics. You will be able to become a fluent English speaker if you will study linguistics in detail. You will also be able to understand the linguistic diversity, that why different languages exist and how these different languages create differences among humans. There is a course of linguistics which is known as social linguistics, in which you will study this in detail. You will also be able to understand the cultural differences and how these language impact these cultural differences, how language plays role in different societies and in creating our identities. You will also study this in linguistics. We will learn all these aspects together in this journey, so you should stay tuned with me and should subscribe my channel if you want to learn about linguistics. Click on the subscribe button and in the comment section tell me that which course you want first, which element you want me to discuss first in my videos, so that I can start making videos on that course or on that aspect of linguistics. Thank you so much for giving me time. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Do tell me in the comment section. Thank you.